This is an example of how modern cultivation techniques can be applied in limited spaces, even in urban environments. Lettuce plants are grown on parallel pipes arranged vertically, so they can accommodate more plants in a narrow area. Each planting hole contains net pots that hold planting media such as rock wool or chaff, charcoal, while roots hang in the nutrient stream. In this system, water mixed with nutrients is pumped from the reservoir to the top pipe. After passing through the roots of the plant, the water flows back down to the bottom pipe until finally back to the reservoir. This system is called NFT, or nutrient film technique, because nutrients flow thinly at the bottom of the pipe so that the roots get oxygen and nutrients in a balanced manner. The constantly moving flow prevents the roots from lack of oxygen, while keeping nutrients from settling. Lettuce thrives in this system because the need for nutrients can be adjusted according to the growth phase. In the early phase, the plant needs more nitrogen for the formation of leaves. After getting bigger, the composition of nutrients can be adjusted so that the harvest is crisper and not easily bitter. The bright green color on the leaves indicates that the plant is getting a good balance of nutrients as well as sufficient sunlight. Besides being efficient, hydroponics is also very water efficient. The water coming out of the end of the pipe is not wasted, but is accommodated back in the reservoir for repumping. On a long-term scale, this method can save up to 80–90% of water use compared to planting on the ground. This condition is very favorable for urban areas that have limited resources. Such a system also makes maintenance easier. No weeds, no soil, and minimal risk of pests. Monitoring only needs to be done at pH, water temperature, and nutrient concentration. With this basic understanding, anyone can start hydroponics on a balcony, small courtyard, or rooftop like in this photo. This is proof that cultivation technology can help us produce fresh food at home. With a simple but efficient hydroponic system, we can learn how plants work, how nutrients affect growth, and how the small environment we create can produce high-quality crops without requiring large tracts of land.